of True Beauty fam, and welcome to 12 Days of True Beauty, day 4, I think it's day 4. So today we are going to be playing around with r.e.m Beauty. I am a huge fan of Ariana, so when I saw that she was coming out with her own like beauty line, I was really excited. I do love Ariana's makeup. I love like the whole aesthetic of the brand as well. I think it's very much her. It's very much on brand for her as well. So yeah, I really wanted to get more stuff, but alas, I could not afford more stuff. I already spent I think everything like shipping and tax included, I spent maybe $90. I'll insert a screen recording of my order, or a screenshot of my order, either one. So yeah, let's just get into the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm really excited for today's video. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. So when you open up your r.e.m Beauty box, it's gray on the inside and everything is like packaged tightly. I haven't looked at the products yet, so this is gonna be a surprise for all of us. And also when you open the box, it has this little QR code that you can scan for exclusive content. I haven't scanned it yet, and I can't scan it right now because I'm using my phone to film. But I will scan it after and see what happens, and then put it in here for y'all. So I ordered a few things. And when I say a few, I do mean a few. It's just a small amount of things. So I got the Midnight Shadows liquid eyeshadow in the shade Fembot. I thought it was really pretty. I actually couldn't decide. I couldn't afford to get a lot of things, like a whole like a whole bunch of stuff. But I got the stuff that I really wanted. So here's Fembot. It's really pretty. I hope you guys can see the reflex in it because it's so pretty. So yeah, got that. I also got the On Your Collar Plumping Lip Gloss. I got the shades Detention and Away Message. I'm gonna show you guys Detention. So here's Detention. I really like the packaging. It's definitely different for a cosmetic brand. And it's like a squeezy tube, so yeah. I think it's very cute. And I love colors like this, so yeah, that was Detention. And now I'm gonna show you Away Message. Okay, so here's Away Message. Super cute, and again, it is a squeezy tube. I don't know which one I want to use yet. I'll figure that out when I finish the look. And I also bought the Interstellar it's like top coat. It's like a topper, a highlight topper, and I got the shade Miss Uranus. I liked a few of the shades, so I do want to go back and get more. So here's the packaging when you take it out, and then on the back it does say Miss Uranus. And here she is. in all her glory. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swatch. It's a pink highlighter, so y'all know I love pink highlighters. It is more of a topper, but I do like a softer highlight, so that's everything. Well, not everything that I got. I did get the lip tint. I forgot what shade I got it in. I'll put it in the video because I can't remember right now. But I did get the lip tint, and the shade, I got it in the shade Full Out, I think, and it was sold out, so they just sent me my other products and it'll come when they have it. And they reimbursed me for it since it wasn't coming this time around, and they are gonna send it to me for free, so that's good. And I'll probably show that on like my Instagram story or something, or on my Twitter, which if you're not following me on Instagram or Twitter, here you go in the video. It'll also be in my description. I'm gonna take Fembot and just put that on my lid. This look is kind of inspired by something that I've had on Pinterest for a while, and I also liked that on the website the models also had this kind of like all over shimmer kind of look. So I do really like how this blends. It blends very easily. It blends very easily, and you can see all the reflex in it, like on your lid, because you can see the pink in there, you also see the purple and the blue. It also layers really nicely, and I know this from the first time I tried to film. And also it doesn't dry like super fast, so you have time to like use it and layer it and blend it out, and it looks really nice. So I do really like that, because with most liquid eyeshadows you don't really have time to blend them out or like work with them. You have to work with them really fast. But with this one, it gives you like time and blendability. It's so pretty. We're gonna do eyeliner. I do want to try the r.e.m Beauty eyeliner. I just didn't get it because I'm very much fond of my Epic ink liner. So we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeliner. Okay, so I liked how that looks. So now I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade White. And we're gonna outline.
That's why
this side came out better than this side, but it's okay because I'm gonna go back and fix it.
Have something else.
So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off of camera and then come back. Our face is done.
Either way, I was not.
Now I'm gonna use Miss Uranus for highlight. You know what would be really pretty with this? Sangria Sunrise. That would be so pretty. But I wanted to apply it like how I normally apply my highlighter, just so I have like a gauge of what it looks like.
No.
And I really like how it looks.
Check.
I stopped wearing highlighter, but like, I don't know. I kind of want to start wearing it again. Obviously how I like it. I did line my lips already. Now we're gonna do our lips. Okay, I want to see how pigmented the gloss is on its own, so I'm gonna just squirt some out the tube.
Yes, I did.
Oh, that's pigmented. That's pigmented. That's pigmented. Okay, it's tingling. That means it's working. Okay, so we're gonna apply lashes and all that good stuff. Okay, also for lashes today, I'm using the Kiss Lash Drip lashes in the style You Do You. They're so pretty. I bought these in Philly, I think. I'm pretty sure. I was not expecting the pigment. I'm gonna just say that right now. I was not expecting the pigment of that lip gloss, but girl, she's pigmented, so have a light hand. Don't be like me. Learn from my mistakes. We're gonna take our hair down. I did comb it out before, but I'm just gonna brush it out again, I think. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. r.e.m Beauty, you get a 10 out of 10 for me. I do want to try more products though, and just like insert them in my videos and just like see how they do. So yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.